Hey there, friends and folks. Today I'll be working on a super special commission with y'all. Someone in the Netherlands actually reached out to me about purchasing one of my pendants for his girlfriend and asked if I could do a piece for him as well. So this pendant here is the one that caught his eye for his girlfriend. It's a Chrysocolla Malachite hybrid stone wrapped in sterling. So for his custom piece, I will also be working with a Chrysocolla Malachite hybrid stone and sterling. So let's jump right into it. I am so stoked with how these turned out. These pieces go beautifully together. And as I'm recording this voiceover and editing this video, it's almost a month past the date that I shipped these off, and I'm happy to report that they made it to their new home safe and sound. Thank you all so much for joining me today for this special project. Take care and be well.